This is a court order from the Bryan Kohberger unaliving case issued on April 18, 2025, by the District Court of the 4th Judicial District in Ada County, Idaho. It addresses a defense motion in limine, a pretrial request to exclude specific evidence concerning witness testimony about the suspect having bushy eyebrows. Here's a breakdown of what it's about and why it matters. What's the document about? The document is the court's ruling on whether a key witness, DM, can testify at trial about seeing an intruder with bushy eyebrows on the night of the murders at 1122 King Road, Moscow, Idaho, on November 13, 2022. DM, a roommate of the victims, is the only eyewitness to the intruder believed to be responsible for the killings. The defendant, Bryan Kohberger, is charged with these murders, and his defense team sought to block this testimony, arguing it's unreliable and could unfairly sway the jury. Key details: DM described the intruder as a white male, around 5 feet 10 inches to 6 feet tall, with a skinny, athletic build, wearing all black and a mask that covered parts of his face. Across multiple interviews and her grand jury testimony, she consistently highlighted the intruder's bushy eyebrows as a standout feature, though she couldn't recall details like their color or the intruder's eyes. Kohberger's lawyers claimed DM's description was unreliable because she was tired, possibly drunk, and traumatized during the event. They argued her vague memory, combined with the fact that bushy eyebrows could describe many people, made the testimony irrelevant or prejudicial. The court denied the defense's motion, allowing DM's testimony. It found her competent to testify, per Idaho Rule of Evidence 601, since she directly observed the intruder and her descriptions were consistent over time. The court also ruled the testimony isn't unfairly prejudicial, per IRE 403, as any flaws in her memory can be challenged through cross-examination rather than outright exclusion. Why it matters? This ruling is significant because DM's testimony is a cornerstone of the prosecution's case. There are no other eyewitnesses. Her description, particularly the bushy eyebrows, could help the jury decide if Kohberger matches the intruder she saw. The defense can still question her reliability at trial, but the jury will hear this evidence and weigh its importance. In short, this court order ensures that a critical piece of evidence, the bushy eyebrows description, will be presented at Kohberger's trial, potentially shaping the case's outcome. The court order from April 18, 2025, in the Bryan Kohberger case addresses a